Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Very good evening all of you. Welcome to Unified Study. How are you all? Exam date came. 26th is your date, right? For UGC NET and for SET exams, those who are going to attempt the Maharashtra SET and HPSC exam, your exam date is on 15th. So, audio, video, everything clear? I think everything is fine. Yes, those who are live, you can let me know in the chat box. Yes, you are live here. Yeah, I can see that. Doipayan, Shravanti, Doipayan, all are live here. Hi. Jyoti, everyone is live here. Okay, chalo. So, in this few days, you have only 19 days left. In these 19 days, first of all, first 10 days, you have to do 10 unit revision. Each and every unit, from this each and every unit, wherever questions, most of the topic are repeating. If you did not prepare enough also previously, or if you have prepared, wherever you are, ultimately PYQS will give you score. And the PYQS means trending PYQS. That is last exam, 2024 exam, 2023 till 2020. If you are focusing on the syllabus question paper from 2024 to 2020 and you are trying to understand the pattern, then I can tell you exactly 2020, 21, 22 was also not that much difficult, but from 2023 and 2024 pattern is changing. They are asking different question, and that's why every day I am planning like that. Every day, each and every subject wise, we will do top 20, top 25 questions with topic from where repetitively questions are coming. Not only UGC NET paper, we will do from UGC NET and SET both. I am collecting UGC NET questions and the SET questions also. All over India, there are so many SET papers, right? Maharashtra SET, HPSC, Maharashtra SET is there, Andhra Pradesh SET is there, Telangana SET is there, West Bengal SET is there, Chhattisgarh SET is there, G SET, Gujarat SET is there, different SET exam is there. From each and every SET papers, how the trend questions are going on, those questions I have collected and we are going to discuss those questions. So I hope these questions will be helpful to you. We are going to start with AI. AI is the trending topic, so I am going backtracking because most of the students are getting scared about math. So unit 1 is math, but unit 10 is AI. So I will do the backtracking. That's why I am starting with AI. Yes, so okay, chalo, let's start without wasting time. I am showing you the first question. Your first question is this. Do the question. You can see the question here. It is the question of December 2024. December 2024 question. Do the question. Solve it quickly. Those who are watching for first time, please like, share and subscribe and share with your friends. Tell them to join the session quickly. What is your answer? You can see the question, which of the following correct for the neural network? Neural network, genetic algorithm. These questions are very important questions. Yes, I can see answers are coming. Answers are coming. Let's see what is the answer. Here actually, first of all, discuss the question, then I am coming to the answer. Here you can see which of the following is the correct for neural network. The training time depends on the size of the network. The neural network can be simulated on the conventional computer. Neural network mimic the same way that the human brain, and the neural network include the feedback. So here actually you will be not able to, the training time depends on the size of the network, okay? Whatever training you are giving, that is depending on the size of the network and the number of neurons. how many neurons you are taking, the number of neurons and the possible states also. That's why here whenever you are going with this parallel execution will be lost. Okay, but it is working as the human brain, that is correct definitely. So that's why here your answer will be A, C and D. Option B is wrong answer. Because why option B is wrong? Because you will be not able to simulate in the conventional computer. It is required little bit high-end computer for parallel execution, and if you are using so many hidden layer, then definitely it's required high-end computer. In normal computer you will be not able to execute it. So this is the answer. It is easy question. Now this is another question which is repeated area, very much important area. Repeated questions are coming from the perceptron of the layer. Do the answer, perceptron of the layer. You can see this. Perceptron of the layer. Yes, all of you, very good. It is easy one, and definitely remember that it is always questions are coming from here. Perceptron is always linearly separable. You will be not able to linearly separable. Here and or is linearly separable, but XOR, here you can see that NOR is also linearly separable, but XOR and XNOR, remember that XOR and XNOR, these two gates are not linearly separable. This is not linearly separable. That's why they are not able to do. And opposite one is NAND, you will be able to do, or NOR also you will be able to do. That's why A, B and C is the correct answer. Now the next question, do it quickly. Here, what is the correct sequence for the knowledge base? From the knowledge base, this is your question of December 2024. Again, this is the question from December 2024. Yes. What is the correct sequence? Nowadays sequence question is very popular. Sequence question, very popular question. You are getting always sequence question. Think and answer. How you are designing knowledge base. Knowledge base is required whenever you are designing for artificial intelligence. Knowledge base is always important. Without knowledge base, AI will not work properly. Answer quickly. I am waiting for your answer. Answer in chat box. Yes. Here your answer will be, here you can see that human view of semantics. Whenever you are working with semantics, the semantics begin with the task domain. Whatever task, whatever work you are going to do, some work is given to you, some task is given to you. So what is my domain? So begin with the task domain. Then choose the atoms in the computer to donate. First it is my domain. Then it will search that atom which one I am going to donate for the proposition. These atoms have the meaning that the knowledge base designer, whatever knowledge base you are going to design. Then step 3, tell the system knowledge about the domain. About the domain, you are, whatever knowledge you have, you are sharing it. Now ask the system question. After knowledge, after I will explain you question, right? I will explain you topic. After discussion of the topic, I am asking you question. Okay, you are getting it or not? So if you are understanding the knowledge, then you will be able to answer. So that's why ask the system question. The system can tell you whether the question is logical questions or not, and you can interpret the answer with the meaning associated with the atoms. So this is the correct sequence, and that's why you are getting here answer B, C, D, A is the correct answer. In option B, you can see that choose the task for the domain, that is the first one. Then select the atom, second one. Then tell the system for the propositions, that is true or false. Then finally ask the question. So this is your sequence. Whenever you are learning something, always AI, you can relate with yourself. AI, you can relate with yourself, okay. So in AI, whatever you are doing, AI is also doing, because whatever human being is able to do, AI is trying to do that. So we are trying to make the machine like human. So that's why AI question, you can relate with yourself. How you are learning, how you are able to answer, AI is also able to do that. That is your answer. Clear? Yes. So next question is this one. This is also 2024 question. 2024 decision tree, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, different types of learning are very, very important. Repeated questions are coming from this learning. Wow, 126 live learner, but only 19 likes. What is this? You don't want to like, then dislike it. Decision tree, supervised learning, artificial network, and instance-based learning. How you are learning, relate with your learning. Okay, answer is coming. Only Doipayan is answering. Doipayan Dotto. I can see answer from Doipayan Dotto. Priyam. Priyam is also answering. What about others? What about others? You are not learning. You don't want to learn. You don't want to answer. So here you can see each and every topic. First of all, C4.5 algorithm is a specific algorithm used for constructing the decision tree. Okay, this is related to your decision tree model, and use tree-like structure to represent the decision. Next one is supervised learning. Supervised means when someone is guiding you, that is supervised learning. Like now also it is supervised learning. I am guiding you to learn. So supervised learning is encompassed for the regression algorithm. Very, very important. Supervised and unsupervised. Which one is regression, association, clustering? Very important. You will see lots of questions are coming, and definitely you have to remember. Next one is delta learning rule is the fundamental gradient descent algorithm. Gradient descent algorithm is related to delta learning rule. Okay. And used for artificial neural network, and particularly for a training single layer perceptron by adjusting the weight based on the difference between the expected and actual output. This is about delta learning. Next one is instance based learning. What is instance based learning? Known as the memory based. Instance based means you have an instance, means some memory. It is related with memory based learning. And self organizing map. You are storing in your memory. Right now you are doing PYQS, you will store it. You will go to exam hall and you will organize that, okay, I can answer the questions or not. So self-organizing map are related to both machine learning technique. They are relay on this. So that's why your answer is matching with option 3. Most of you are telling option 2 is the correct answer, but here option 3 is the correct answer. You can see here decision tree is matching with C4.5. And supervised learning is matching with non-linear regression, because regression is one type of supervised learning. And next one, artificial neural network. It is actually related with delta learning, because delta learning technique is used in artificial neural network. And instance-based learning. Instance-based learning is self-organizing learning, memory-based self-organizing. That's why it is your answer. Okay? From one question you will learn so many things. Now see here again, as I told, see that here also again, don't think that ma'am here is blank, question is blank, nothing is there. It is incomplete question ma'am. It is not incomplete question, it is complete question. This is the trending pattern of the question, okay? It is not incomplete, it is complete. Do it. It is a complete question, do it. Tell me the answer. Yes. Answer quickly. Regression, KNN, clustering and decision tree. Okay, again I am getting answer from Mohana. Mohana is giving answer. What about others? Only Mohana is giving answer. Doipayan giving answer. Okay. Niru Jadab. Thank you. Thank you, Niru Jadab. Okay, answer is coming. Option 2 is the correct answer. Very good. Option 2 is the correct answer. You can see here. Because why? Because here you can see unsupervised and supervised. Actually, you need to match what are the supervised learning and what are the unsupervised learning. Here, actually, your regression is supervised learning and KNN is also supervised learning. And clustering is only unsupervised learning. Decision tree is also supervised. So, these all three, regression is also supervised, KNN is also supervised and decision tree is also supervised. Only clustering method is unsupervised. That's why your answer is A is with 2, 2B is with 2, D is with 2, only C is with 1. Tell me in the chat box, other clustering other than that one method is there for unsupervised. Which one? Which one is another method is there other than clustering? Main method. Tell me in the comment that which one is unsupervised. Next question is this one. Genetic algorithm sequence. Sequence question is very popular. You are getting always sequence question. You can see here genetic algorithm sequence. You need to do the sequence of genetic algorithm. Okay, very good. Association rule. Very good. Doipayan, association rule. Nitesh Jadhav, association rule. Very good. Very good. Yes. Clustering and association is related with, yes, unsupervised learning. Very good. Tell me the answer for this one. Sequence question. Okay, answer is coming. I can see. I am not able to read your name. It is written in, I think, Telugu or Tamil. I don't know Tamil. Mohana. Mohana I can read. Yes, answer is coming. Mohana, Doipayan, everyone is giving answer. So definitely option 3 is the correct answer. Here you will be getting confused with evaluation. So here it is the sequence actually. Whenever you are working with genetic algorithm, this is the correct sequence of genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm is also related with human being. How our reproduction is going on. Any living beings, how their reproduction is going on. Same process is here. It is coming from our biology, in biology, right? So survival of the fittest theory is also here. You have to survive. If you are fit, then only you are able to survive. So that's why first thing is that initial population. After initial population, fitness evaluation. This is main thing. So many chromosomes are there. Out of that, those who are fit, they are able to participate. So that's why fitness function. After fitness evaluation, termination criteria. Termination criteria, if it is there, then you are coming here that output. If it is not terminated, then select that population. After that, they are getting chance to do the crossover. Means only the fit, those who are able to pass the fitness, they are coming from the crossover. So here crossover will be done. After the crossover, mutation. After mutation, this is in the loop. Here multiple times this process is going on. How long? How long your new offspring, means new generation, is improving. When previous generation and the new generation there is no that much difference, then it will stop. That is the termination criteria. Here you can see the termination criteria. Termination criteria is that every time whenever new generation is created, it is checking the fitness value with the previous one. If there is difference, then it will continue the process. If there is no difference, then it will terminate. And finally you are getting the output result. So that's why your answer is coming. Here you will be a little bit confused with this evaluation. This evaluation is actually fitness evaluation. So that's why first one is initialization. After that evaluation, this is actually the fitness. Here the fitness evaluation is going on. Then it is selection. That's why here BEA. After that crossover, then mutation. Got it? Why this is the correct? Yes. Now do the next. Proper sequence for training the neural network. Whenever you are training the neural network, what is the correct sequence? How to train the neural network, how to train your brain, how you are training your brain, same thing. Same thing you have to apply here. Great! 200 live learners, 200 century, thank you, 209. Please share as much as possible. If you are giving me enthu, then I will get too much enthu. Great, thank you so much. Yes, your answer is coming. Here I can see this is your answer. Why this is your answer? You can see here. Here I have written also. First of all, whenever you are doing with weight initialization, what is weight initialization? Weight initialization start with the random weights. Random weights you are giving. After that, you are coming with next one is that is feed forward. Feed forward means compute the output based on the current weight. Whatever current weight, according to that output will be generated. Then it is coming with the loss calculation. Next one is the loss calculation, that is this one. Because you are doing some calculation, after that there is some loss, that loss calculation will be required. That's why here we have to do the loss calculation. After loss calculation, you have to do the back propagation, because you have given some more values you have taken. Now you saw that no, there is loss. So when there is loss, you have to decrease. Okay. So that's why here you can see we have to do the back propagation to adjust the value. That's why back propagation is required. After back propagation, you are going to update. Means okay, there was the loss, so that's why I need to update it. So finally update the weight. So that's why your sequence is this one. Okay, this is very important topic. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now go to the next. NLP, natural language processing, most important topic. You are getting question from natural language processing. Do this. Natural language processing. Which one is understanding and which one is generation? This type of question are nowadays very popular. You are expecting one side 4 option, another side 4 option. They are not giving. They are not giving like that. This type of question is very popular, matching question. Answer is coming, I can see. Yes, your answer is option 4 is the correct answer. Why option 4 is the correct answer? You can see here the understanding. Which one is coming under understanding? That is you need to understand. Which one is coming under understanding? That is only map the input to the useful representation. This is only the part of understanding. This is only the part. Other than that, text planning, sentence planning and the sentence generation, these all are coming under natural language generation. So, only D with 1, other than that everyone is with 2 because this is coming under generation. Only this one is coming under understanding. That's why option 4 is the correct answer. Now next one. Here whenever you are doing crossover, oh sorry, I told you the answer already. Yes. Actually this is direct question, easy question. Easy question, very easy question. I will tell you how to, yes, very easy question. It is dropped for now. Yeah, it is very easy and I told you already the answer actually. So how the crossover is going on, I am telling you. Actually the crossover is going on like that. This is the crossover point. Here you are going to cross. So that's why you are going to take this one and then you are going to take this one. That's why you are getting this offspring. And now you are going to take this one, then this one. That's why you are getting this offspring. They gave here ki what is going on here, but you should know how to do the crossover. They can give you this type of offspring and after crossover what is generated. That type of question you can get. So that's why you should know that how to do the crossover. Okay. Now do this one. Different types of encoding technique of genetic algorithm. I am telling you from artificial intelligence, most of the questions are coming from neural network and genetic algorithm. Neural network and genetic algorithm, nothing else. Mostly, most of the questions you are getting from here. Do it. Encoding technique. Yes, answer I am getting. I am getting answer from Doipayan, Pravina, Latha, Parsia, Sweta. Yes, everyone is giving answer. Very good. Here you are giving option 3 is the correct answer. Yes, obviously option 3 is the correct answer. These are the encoding technique. Quickly go through this encoding technique. That is very important for you because you can get question from this encoding technique. First of all, permutation encoding technique. Okay, here first technique is permutation encoding technique. Initial, it's placed to the initial step. Go through it once, then I will go to the next question. The main points you can see here. These are the main points where you are going for permutation, then gray coding, then binary coding, then real value coding, and other than that some encoding techniques are also there. These are the common encoding technique. So binary encoding, integer encoding, real value encoding, permutation encoding, tree encoding, and gray encoding. Okay. Now you are getting this question, that is numerical question. It is not like that from AI you will get only theory question. AI also you are getting numerical question. So it is a numerical question, very popular numerical question. Multiple time NET SET papers they are asking this numerical, this type of numerical. Easy numerical, if you know then easily you can get your 2 marks. Tell me, what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this? Yes, answers are coming. Option 4 you are telling that. Yes, option 4 is the correct answer. Very good. Here it is very easy to solve. How you are getting it I am showing you. So here you can see here fx equals to, it is given to you, fx equals to x square plus 4x plus 4. So just put the value here f 1.5, 1.5 square. If you put here, then by solving this you are getting here 0.25 and 2.0. After solving you are getting here 0. 3.0 after solving you are getting here 1. Then finally 4.5 you are getting here 6.25. This is the highest value. As this is the highest one, so that's why your answer is coming 6.25. Because what is the fitness value? The question is, what is the fitness value of the individual will be selected. Which one will be selected? The fittest one, highest one, who is getting the highest fitness value, that will be selected. So here 6.25 is the highest one. That's why your answer is 6.25. Right. Now do the next. Here also this type of numerical question, you can see another question. Neurons. This is neural network question. Last question was from genetic algorithm and this is from neural network. Neural network question is also most important. So you can see here neural network question. Fitness value is the highest value. Yes, highest. Who is getting the highest fitness? That is the highest. That one will be selected. Okay, answers are coming. Very good, everyone. Super fast. I am getting answer. 507 is the correct answer, definitely. Because it is very easy. You are getting here 4 input neurons and this is given because neuron is working like that. Here these are the 4 neurons. Here this is input values. Some inputs are given and some weights are given to you. Okay. So summation of Wi multiply into input you are getting. So that we have to multiply. With the weight you can see here this is the inputs given and these are the weights given. So 1 by 1 I will multiply. Here 1 multiply with 5, because you can think like that: I1, I2, I3 and I4. These are the values, inputs, and weight 1, W1, W2, W3, W4. I1 into W1, I2 into W2, I3 into W3, I2, I4 into W4. This is we need to do. That's why after multiplying, now here was a constant given. You can see that the constant of the proportionally given 3. If in the question constant is given, then you have to multiply the constant. Sometimes in question constant will be given, sometimes in the question constants are not given. Here constants are given, that's why you need to multiply the constant. If the constant is not given, then this is your answer. As the constant is given to you, that's why you need to multiply. So you are getting here 507 is the correct answer. Okay. Now see here, which of the following mutation operator genetic algorithm, for the genetic algorithm, which one is mutation operator? Mutation operator. Do the answer. Read question very carefully, okay? Otherwise you will do mistake. Read question very carefully. Otherwise definitely you will do mistake. Okay, I am getting answer. Here you have to be very careful about the not. Following is not the mutation operator. Always remember one thing. The not is the trap for the examiner. And always I am telling the student, write down in your wall. If I ignore the not in the question paper, then I have to see not qualified. Because of ignoring not in the question paper, most of the time students are missing their NET and JRF. And they are obviously giving, this is the keyword, not, incorrect, false, not correct. Okay. Very, very important. If you are ignoring this keyword, definitely your marks is gone. 10 to 20 marks students are missing because of ignoring this not. So as it is asking here, so here you can see that only difference, this is not coming under the mutation technique. Other than that, random, scrabbling and inverse, these all are coming. Here these are the mutation techniques, normal mutation techniques what we are using. You can go through it one time. Bit flip mutation, swap mutation, scramble mutation and insertion mutation, inversion mutation, non-uniform mutation and Gaussian mutation. These all are the normal mutation techniques. There are total 6 mutation techniques. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, total 7 mutation techniques are there actually. This is 5th one, this is 6th one and this is 7th one. Okay, so numbering is wrong. So total 7 mutation techniques are there. Remember the mutation techniques and write down in your notebook. This is very, very important. Now you can see the question from NLP, Natural Language Processing. Most important topic after genetic algorithm and artificial neural network, natural language processing. Too much important. Do the answer from natural language processing. Quick, quick, easy, easy. Again, be careful. Read the question properly. Yes, I am getting answer. Some students are giving answer, but your answer is wrong. Which one is not? Again not. Not is very important. Not the component of the natural language understanding process. Natural language understanding, actually morphological analysis, semantic analysis, pragmatic analysis, all are coming under natural language processing, but meaning analysis is not there. That's why option 4 is the correct answer. Meaning analysis is not the part. Here you can see that about natural language processing. Quickly you can go through it. Here morphological analysis involves the analyzing the structure from the word, that is morphological analysis. Semantic analysis focuses on understanding the meaning. Actually whatever meaning analysis was there, that is named semantic analysis only. Pragmatic analysis consider the broader context including the speaker's intention. What is the intention of talking? That is called pragmatic analysis. Another some key points about that you can see here: syntactic analysis, that is parsing. Discourse analysis focuses on the understanding the organization. And pragmatic inference involves implicit meaning and explicit meaning. And contextual understanding involves considering the broader context. Domain knowledge integration, specific to the knowledge of the domain. Sentiment analysis is also there, definitely very important, that how you are talking. You are angry or you are happy, that sentiment analysis is very important. Name entity recognition, that is NER. Information extracting from different sources, and conference resolution. These all are the part of NLP, most important topic. Must go through it, take your notes, and you can take the screenshot also, and I will upload the notes in our app. Install Unified Study app to get the notes. It is free marks question. Fuzzy set. Fuzzy set is most easy topic of artificial intelligence. You are getting union, intersection, complement, that type of question. Super easy topic. You can see here one question. It is on June 2020. Oh, sorry. जून कहाँ गया? ओह, sorry, something to गया. Yes, this one. Do this. Do this one. Intersection. Yes, answer is coming. Very easy question. Intersection means I am telling you here, whenever you are doing intersection means you have to take minimum. Union means you have to take maximum. That is the simple rule. Here you can see these are the values for x and these are the values. Two values are given for a and b, right? So here 0, 5 is the maximum for x1. For x2, 0, 7 is maximum. Whenever you are doing union, then you have to take the maximum value. But it is given you to do the intersection. So intersection means you have to take the minimum value. What is the minimum value here? This is 0.3 is the minimum for x1. After that for x2, 0.2 is the minimum. Then for x3 you are getting 0.4 is the minimum. Instead of intersection, if you are doing union, A union B, then what will be the answer? then your answer will be here x1 comma what, that is the highest value, maximum value of x1, that is 0.5. Then for x2 what value you will get? For x2 you can see 0.7 and 0.2, so you will get here 0.7. And for x3 what value is the maximum? 0.5 is the maximum, so you are getting here 0.5. Union means take max, intersection means take mean. Very easy, simple area, you can do it easily, right? Yes. Now do the next. Here you can see next question is from complement. What is the complement? Yes, very easy, super easy question. 1 minus, complement means nothing else, just you have to do 1 minus, okay, nothing else. Here it is 0.3, you are getting 1 minus 0.3, that's why it is 0.7. You are getting 0.7 means 1 minus 0.7, that is 0.3, and 0.4, 1 minus 0.4, that is 0.6. So answer is this one. Easy, very easy question. Now do the next. Here these are the NET papers question. Now I am asking you some SET papers question. Here this is HP SET, that is Himachal Pradesh SET. Himachal Pradesh SET question. But this type of questions are repeated in different SET papers, and from one question paper your so many concepts will be clear. Okay. So many questions are coming, means so many topic will be clear. Here you can see IO interface, explanation module, inference engine and knowledge base. How to match? Answer. I am waiting for your answer. Yes, I am getting answer. So here you can see what is this. IO interface is the crucial role enabling. IO interface means input output device. IO interface are the input output device. How I am giving input, how this is the input, all the input output devices are your IO interfaces, right? So that's why it is for the communication between the computer, audio video clear or not, how this is I am giving input, right? And next one is the explanation module. I am explaining you, so that is explanation module. Explanation module is the expert system, knowledge based system that provide the explanation for the system, that is explanation. Inference engine means that is the rule, where the rules are there, if else condition is happening, ability to follow the inference steps. Okay, next one is knowledge base, means the database where you are storing the knowledge, that is the knowledge base. That's why you are getting here the answer when you are matching with this terminologies. This is the question from JK set. Am I audible? Yes, I think again network came. It was little bit buffering, but now I think it's clear, right? It was buffering little bit, but now I think it is clear. Do the answer. Okay, okay. Read it and do the answer. Yeah, answers are coming. Very good. Option 1 is the correct answer, definitely. Here, semantic network is the type of knowledge representation. Semantic network, frames, these all are here. You can see that semantic network is the types of knowledge when you are representing the knowledge, and frame are the knowledge representation technique organizing the knowledge, collection of attributes and domain. This is ontological. That's why you are getting here your answer. Your answer is coming option A. Option A is the correct answer. Got it? Yes, now it is clear. Now there is no buffering. Now tell me the answer. This is AP SET 2024 question. Andhra Pradesh SET 2024. Try to do the answer. Now it's clear. I think there is no buffering. Refresh once. Now it is clear, right? Refresh once, please. Yes. So here, which is the bound morpheme in the sentence? Bound morpheme. So here your answer is un. Why? Because un is the bound morpheme, especially the a prefix. Bound morphemes means it is the prefix, which means not. Un means not. So that's why it is opposite. It is making opposite. When the word happiness, you are adding another part and it is giving a opposite meaning. So bound morphemes are the morphemes that must be combined with the word and they cannot stand alone as separate word. Un is not a word. When you are making with happy, then unhappy. So this is called morpheme and it is bound morpheme because separately un there is no meaning. When you are adding with word, then only it is meaningful. That's why it is called bound morpheme. Now the next question is this one. This is also very popular question. It is MH SET 2024, Maharashtra SET 2024 question. It is Maharashtra SET 2024. Yes, this is called overfitting. Okay. In terms of describe the scenario where training error of the model decrease while the test error is increasing. At the time of training, you are learning too much. You are trying to learn everything. You are trying to cover all the 10 unit. Then at the time of test, you will be not able to deliver and you will be not able to perform well. That is the reason of overfitting. If you are doing overfitting yourself, if you are trying to learn so much thing, then definitely at the time of original test, you will be not able to do. That's why always remember less is more Otherwise, you will face the difficulty of overfitting. Training data is too much. At the time of exam hall, you will face the difficulty. This is the meaning of overfitting, where training error, it is decreasing. At the time of training, at the time of mock test, you are getting good score. You are trying to memorize all the PYQS. But ultimately in exam hall, you are not able to do anything because you are not, test error is increasing. This is overfitting. So always remember, less is more. Okay. Try to go for less but learn in depth so that you can perform well in exam. Chalo. Now do the next. Here this is very popular question. Without A-star algorithm, AI is not covered. AI is not covered without this question. That is A-star algorithm. Very, very important. And you can see here, this is a question from A-star algorithm uses the heuristic function search for the goal node. What is that when you are searching for the goal node? Yes, this is admissible function. Very, very important. Admissible heuristic. What is called admissible heuristic? While evaluation of the admissible heuristic, it should not be overestimated. Overestimation, if you are doing, then again you will not get the optimal result. Always your estimation should not be overestimated. That is called admissible function. If you are overestimating yourself, that yes, I am going to get out of 300, 250, 280, that is overestimation. And because of this overestimation, your performance will be low. I will suggest you, those who are preparing for UGC NET, computer science students, 220 to 230 is enough for you. If you are preparing for JRF also, then also 220 to 230 maximum. And those who are preparing for assistant professor, if you target 200, that is more than enough. No one is asking you to do 150 question, 300 out of 300, not required. Don't try to overestimate. If you are doing overestimation, then you will not get perfect result. You will not get optimized result. A-star algorithm is also telling that. A-star is admissible when heuristic is not overestimated. It should not be overestimated. Okay. So that's why your answer is admissible function. Very important. Always questions are coming from this. Now, here where you are applying the fuzzy control system. This is also a question of APSET 2024. APSET 2024 question. Do it. Yes, easy question. For robot navigation, fuzzy system is actually required for robot navigation here in a real world environment. Which of the following is true? On a neural network, I am going to end the session. It is very easy question from neural network where you can relate with yourself. Try to relate with yourself, you can do the answer. Very easy question, right? Super easy question. Yes, definitely. Here all are the correct answer, because on average time, whenever neural network is working, on the average neural network, higher computational rates, conventional computers. This is correct. Neural network learn by example and neural network mimic way of human brain. So always you have to learn with example. Always try to learn with example. If you are opening book, you will be not able to understand. If you are learning with example, then it is easy for you to remember. Now here you can see which of the following answer is general characteristics of artificial neural network. artificial neural network, what is the normal general characteristics. These are some easy questions. This is also a CG set, Chhattisgarh set question. Yes. Here fast processor speed. It should be always fast. So with that, your session is over. I hope the session will be helpful to everyone. And those who want to download the PDF, how you can download the PDF? You can go to Unified Study website. Okay, I will upload the PDF in Unified Study website and Unified Study. Here this is your Unified Study website. Whenever you are opening the Unified Study website, you can install Unified Study app also. Here you can install Unified Study app from the Play Store. Here is the Play Store link. From the Play Store link, you can open the Unified Study app and you can install the app. After installing the app, you can get the details here. You can get it here. That is under study material. If you click on study material, free course, you can come to the free course. Under the free course, here if you click on view content, you have to log in and register. After that, you can see here. Okay, come to the free course. Under this course, all the PDFs are there. Whatever I am taking in YouTube, there is a YouTube folder. Here you can see. And those who want to join the paid course, you can join the paid course. Here we have started the 20 days plan. In this 20 days plan, here everything you are going to get. Whatever we have covered in the month of January to June, this 6 months, whatever we have covered, all the topic is there, test series is there, PYQS is there, expected MCQ classes are going on, those live classes also you will get. So with 999 rupees for paper 2 and for paper 1 499 rupees, 20 days plan. In this 20 days plan, everything you are going to get here in structured way. Everything is there. Test series, PYQS, concept, PDF, whatever you want, everything is there. So you can come here and you can complete your learning. Whatever you are searching for, you will get here. So take it now, so that upcoming few days, without any problem, without any distraction, without wasting your time, everything you can utilize properly. 5 AM, 5 PM, 2 times I am taking class, Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday is your test series. So you are getting full length test series, unit wise also, topic wise also, and full length mock test for computer science. Paper 1, paper 2 combined 3 hours mock test is also there. So everything you are going to get under this course. So definitely if you are interested, you can join. Bye everyone. See you again tomorrow. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I am also going. I will also thank you everyone. Inform in the group if class will. It's a request. Yes, I inform, right? I inform that I am coming live. Yes. Thank you. Bye everyone. See you again. Bye. Tomorrow morning, if you all are agree, then tomorrow morning I can take a live class. Tomorrow morning, if you all are agree, then I can come. Okay. Bye.